Whoa, what do you...
Ooh.
Alright, you bring it in
Okay.
too close to us.
Okay.
You gotta bring it in from far away. Alright, your airplane. Go.
Why is it going?
Because you're flying it, that's why.
You gotta fight the wind. You got your flaps down, so when you're always gonna be more sensitive.
Am I too close still?
No, you're far away.
No, I can't see it on the camera.
You're getting it high.
No,
Whoa.
yours.
Okay.
Damn, that was good.
Let's bring it in. I think it's starting to get a little bit too dark.
That was good. Good save.
Get the bees out of me. Let's try it again. See, I figured that was gonna be.
Land it.
I'm gonna
Land
real
it.
quick.
Nice and pretty. Landing nice and pretty. Landing nice and pretty.
Battery.
Landing nice and pretty.
Bring it in.
Landing nice and pretty.
Flying it. There's still throttle there.
Still throttle?
Yeah.
Still throttle?
Yeah.
Okay. How much throttle?
I bring it in at about a quarter throttle.
No more.
I think. Yeah.
Isn't it a pretty plane? It's a pretty plane.
And you're getting a little bit disoriented in the dark. Even in when the plane comes to you, you're getting a little bit too disoriented. You're gonna have to, I guess, work on the simulator a lot.
Yeah.
Keeping it in a circuit.
What, there was the only thing close to the Cessna was this gas plane.
That's fine.
Okay.
All you need to do is work on your orientation. Because I noticed when you're flying, you're either going at really high, you're having difficulty telling when the plane's at a high angle, a low angle, or level. Second, when you're
Bye bye.